Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can create a video clip on Adobe Firefly with 9:16 aspect ratio, for example, for YouTube Shorts or for TikTok or Instagram video. So let us guide you through this, guys. So what you want to do is navigate to Adobe Firefly. Of course, I will do that here through the web version of Adobe Firefly. Make sure that you're logged in with your account. And there are two ways how you can do this. You either navigate to the video generator for an already created video clip. As you can see, I'm using this one here. Make sure that you stay at the Generate tab. And here, expand the general settings on the left-hand side and click into the drop-down menu next to aspect ratio. If you'd like to apply, for example, 9:16 vertical to the already created video clip here. Or if you'd like to start a new video generation project and use a different prompt, for instance, navigate to your account here on Adobe Firefly, click into Generate on the left-hand side, select Video here, and then you will be redirected to that panel. So again, stay in the Generate tab. Here, enter your prompt. Now, I would need to change that prompt because that's actually the same for this one here. So enter your prompt here and expand the general settings and make sure that you select the different aspect ratio, like in this case vertical 9:16, so that there you go. For example, if I hover my mouse over that default frame or canvas here, you will see that it is already set to 9:16 with the play button at the bottom, the timestamp, fast forward, full screen, and so on. And so all that would remain here is to type in your prompt, click into Generate in the bottom right corner, and let Firefly create your 9:16 aspect ratio video with the given FPS rate, video length. As you can see, I can change that right now here, the FPS rate, neither nor the duration with my account level, but in general it should be possible if you have access to that feature, guys. So go with these general settings here, customize them, and yeah, click into Generate to see the results. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.